Welcome to 11507 Bridget Court, Bowie, Maryland 20720. We've got over 3,500 square feet of living space, 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. We're right just minutes away from NASA Goddard, 193. You can also get to Baltimore or DC right on 295 to the north and Route 50 right to the south. The best thing about this house, one of the best things, is that you've got income producing property right downstairs. This walk-in path goes right around. We've got a 2-bedroom apartment downstairs with a full bathroom and washer and dryer. I mean, who doesn't want additional income? The income from that basement apartment can actually pay for most of the mortgage. But before we check out the money part, let's check out the inside. This property is huge, 11507 Bridget Court, Bowie, Maryland 20720, minutes away from NASA Goddard, and all access points, Annapolis, DC, Baltimore, with minutes away. Fenced in backyard, large deck, 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,500 square feet of living space, plus the income producing property in the basement. Sleep upstairs while you make money downstairs. I'm Melvin Yates, thanks for coming out. See you next time.